You see, heke ndugitagwo and some of us know that from experience and from observation. Yes. Thirikari investite muno hari undu wigie infant mortality, maternal deaths over the years since independence. Kwaja case in point, Linda Mama. Yes. Niyokire with a lot of goodies and specialized care for expectant mothers. Yes. Maundu mau matuko ma Tene na tene munori. They were non-existent.
Gutiari maundu ta mau.
Yes. It was not uncommon gukora muiretu kana mutimia nio handa agathie thibitari kugia mwana. Yes. Kliniki, not many people used to go.
Kuri aikaraga uguo.
Yes. Makorio tu nikarathaka. And I think it is the reason why ciana cia Tene especially America maituri tutue kuna twarutire miri ino. There is a point otoro warugamite miaka 6 Doranyiha
na doraneneha. Sluggish growth.
Yes. You are around from 3. You remain with that frame
for 4 years.
Yes. Of course there were issues of nutrition na matuko mau. Leu akora mwana na mirire. You see the supplements that me marahe, the iron, they have those ones. Ginya the mwana akiu mari. Ginya mahede me very well formed.
He's a healthy kid.
Yes. Izwe atwasi aliruo moto oke bounce ngane ruo toti ali. No, we even thought that is the way it is supposed to be. Ciana cia thikũ ici itiraciarwo na ruo totia.
Cia tene.
Ruo totia nĩ ũndũ wa aya anina nini mataramenya rĩ. You know, mwana agĩciarwo matukũ mau rĩ. The skull base formation ndĩakorwo ĩkinyanĩire mahĩndĩ ma mũtwe. Rĩu haha igũrũ nĩ haikagia. Yes.
Na nĩ weragwo ndũkanagerie kũhutia mwana hau.
Nĩ ũngĩahurũkirio thiĩte gũtwara curiosity yaku hau.
Uhutie ngenge yanyu.
You
would be killed.
You see, it was very exciting to look at and you would be very tempted.
When ana curiosity ri.
You see, it is the pulmonary artery. Ĩrĩa twaraga oxygenated blood kũrĩ hakiri. Nĩyo yaikagia. Tondũ ihĩndĩ rĩa haha rĩtigomanĩte mwana ũcio ti mũkinyane.
Mĩrĩirie.
Wona ũguo kona tarĩ maĩ marakunũ. Ũrĩa maĩ makunũka mũgũnda na gatĩri.
Ukaigua kuhutia.
Ũkĩhutia ũndũ amenya rũhĩrwo umako.
Ũrenda kũraga mwana?
We nĩkĩ kũgũrũkaga we? No, babies nowadays, and I'm saying that because I have kids and I have not seen that. Yes. And it's one nagatoria nin. Yes. No, we don't see that.
Maũndũ nĩ macenjirie.
Ayure thikũ ici rĩ, it's even very rare. Kuona mwana ũronga kĩara ihinda iraihu. Nemogaga, but they somehow very quickly
they would grow that.
I would leave that. Hey, Tene ni wona mũndũ mwĩbae.
No aronga kĩara.
No kĩara njeki niũrũ-inĩ. Ginya ethagĩrwo mũthũkũrũ-i. Agetherwo biribiri. Akarũa nayo.
Atiga kuaga kĩara.
It was that addictive. But I think it was malnutrition.
I think so.
You mwene ni waikipagwo busy. Eto ginya kwe mohagwo. Yangu waraheirwo glove nĩ mama we. Ana a glove. Yes.
Nĩgetha atige kuaga kĩara.
Ona glove ici cia thibitarĩ. Bado, it was a fight.
No ngiogire ningĩ kĩara excessive rĩu gũkĩria the allowable age.
Yes.
No oneka rĩu ningĩ ta wĩna gatithio.
No oneka rĩu nĩ wĩna kaũbisto nĩ kana develop. You see the pose you yako gakiarari. Well, you didn't look very bright. Especially when you were of age.
Miaka riu yakinyaga.
Yes.
Uka expect riu koro uiganetie nginya kuo gakiara.
Yes. Maundu mau moka mathirite okahora. And I think it is with proper nutrition and health care.
Yeah.
Yes. Totene mwana agikauga auge sentence ithatu. Itoeka na yuko kiare kiritu.
Ndiwithia riko kiare kiritu. Ni nginya mazingira maria mwana ari.
Yes. So waigua mwathi mugathie ta mwaka ugicoka hai ondare aria. Kamwe weta atia. Kamamu.
Wow.
Amamu.
Kama you are not about to have a conversation.
This whole the phrases and the clauses are taking a while to conjoin. You see nowadays mwana munini ni they are constructing sentences. Ni maina ni na misrejo.
You see the umuthiri ona ciana cio umuthi they are exposed to many things.
Yes.
Andu aigire radio TV
technology misrejo cocomelon.
No hema tukumana riho mwana kire igua no nyina.
Exactly. Na me aboya ciega bananyoni. And go yell as you need teneri. She go your mama and ask your belly. Are animate. I'm like, hey, I need to. Woo! That is their word. No, people had started to grow, and it was environmental. Yeah. It was not like a condition. No, the environmental started to murire. You know. Yes. Sorry. Ma aka aba meta mo aikia miaka tatu wakale kiugia mobe jana diko isika kage ciarwo mura uyu waririe ri
na githie
tene mwana ni amenya kuri akigwa tare menya kwaria
the environmental factors.
And you know, it was your role as a siblings. Modo mugeni yokari. Amwari riari. Ukamuna. Dara gia.
Dare ajia kwaria.
Asa. Nani iguaga. Anyana mamo de adukagira mugatukara mwakiri.
You stand in the gap.
You stand in the gap and nani ara igu
na githio tu Benjamin
ne beje
ndari aria
asa nona gwa baba na gwa baba na pupu. No, you would literally wait and very many seasons. Okiria no maginya kwaria ru wega maragia mathie thukuru. Yes.
Ndo mama ikukiire thukuru.
Of course genetically people are different, but back then environmental factors and others this affectaga.
No ameni abaka menya mwaki ni muru.
We ndu abaka utia girathi. Ndu amaragia karaja. Neke keria.
Tinia girathi ata. Kimenya mwaki ni ugwati.
Hal malira kihuta.
Kihutia girathi. Akiamba kulindo guoko kirai.
Ko hehe.
Leva ijaja na 50. Dhahabu land.